Are you a man over the age of 50 and constantly feeling tired, drained, sluggish, like you're just going through the motions day by day? Or maybe you're still young but have noticed some of these signs in your father or someone close to you. Listen up, because this video will shed light on a topic that's often overlooked. By the end of this video, you'll discover 3 essential vitamins that, when added to your daily routine, will boost your energy levels, improve your overall health, and help you feel like a new man. So if you're ready to take control of your health and unlock a more vibrant and energetic life, then keep watching. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. We bring you the latest in health and wellness research. And remember, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Now, aging is inevitable, and so are certain physical changes. As men age, they often face challenges like decreased energy, weakened muscles, and even hormonal imbalances. However, many of these symptoms can be effectively managed through proper nutrition. There are vitamins that play a significant role in maintaining high energy levels, supporting muscle health, and balancing hormones in men over 50. Before we dive into those 3 vitamins, let's look at an alarming statistic. Over 60% of men 50 and above are lacking in key nutrients needed for optimal health and vitality. That's a staggering number. But the good news is that by making informed dietary choices, you can ensure that your body gets the essential vitamins it needs to thrive. Each vitamin has unique benefits, and together they form a powerful trio that can transform your well-being. So buckle up and get ready to discover the vitamins that can truly make a difference in your life. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is a true powerhouse when it comes to maintaining overall health and vitality. Let's start with vitamin D. As we age, our bodies produce less testosterone, which can lead to decreased muscle mass and decreased libido. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in testosterone production. By ensuring adequate intake of this vitamin, you can help maintain healthy testosterone levels and support your masculine energy. The benefits of vitamin D extend beyond testosterone. This vitamin is essential for strong bones and teeth. It aids in calcium absorption, which is vital for bone health. Adequate vitamin D levels can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, allowing you to maintain your mobility and independence as you age. But that's not all. Vitamin D also boosts your immune system. It helps regulate immune cells, enhancing your body's defense against infections and diseases. By staying vigilant and proactive about your vitamin D intake, you can strengthen your immune system and reduce the frequency and severity of illnesses. To get your daily dose of vitamin D, head outdoors and soak up some sunshine. Spending 15 to 20 minutes in the sun can provide you with sufficient vitamin D. However, if you're unable to spend much time outdoors, consider taking a supplement. Look for vitamin D3 supplements in the range of 1,000 to 2,000 international units. IU. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. Before we reveal the next vitamin, let's address something. A deficiency in vitamin D can manifest in several ways. You might experience persistent tiredness or low energy levels, making everyday tasks feel like a chore. You might also find yourself feeling down or struggling with mood disorders like depression or seasonal affective disorder. Additionally, vitamin D plays a role in testosterone production, so a deficiency could contribute to a decline in libido and erectile dysfunction. Don't let vitamin D deficiency hold you back. Take action now to boost your levels and unlock a better quality of life. Up next is vitamin B12, a true energy booster. Vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining high energy levels and combating fatigue. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food may decrease, leading to potential deficiencies. However, by incorporating foods rich in B12 into our diet, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, we can support our energy production and combat feelings of exhaustion. But the benefits of B12 don't stop there. This vitamin is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell division, which is important for maintaining healthy cells and tissues. Adequate B12 levels also support brain function and protect against cognitive decline and age-related memory loss. Moreover, vitamin B12 plays a vital role in red blood cell production. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to anemia, which can cause symptoms like shortness of breath and paleness. By ensuring sufficient B12 intake, we can support healthy blood cells and oxygen transport throughout the body. For men over 50, it's particularly important to watch B12 levels. Studies show that B12 deficiency is common in this age group and can contribute to fatigue, weakness, and even mood disorders like depression. Fortunately, B12 is readily available in many common foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. By including these foods in your diet, you can meet your daily B12 requirements and maintain optimal energy levels. However, if you're unable to get enough B12 from your diet, or if you have a condition that affects its absorption, consider taking a supplement. Look for supplements that contain methylcobalamin, an easily absorbed form of B12, and aim for a daily intake of 500 to 1,000 micrograms. By prioritizing B12 intake, you can support your energy, brain health, and overall vitality. Before we move on to the final vitamin, let's address the risks of a B12 deficiency. It's more common than you think, especially in older adults. A deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, pale skin, and even neurological problems. But don't worry, it's easy to prevent. Just include more B12-rich foods in your diet, or consider a supplement if necessary. Now it's time to explore the powerhouse that is magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays a vital role in hundreds of bodily processes, making it essential for maintaining overall health and vitality. From energy production to muscle function, magnesium is involved in almost everything. One of the key benefits of magnesium is its ability to support energy production. It helps convert food into usable energy, keeping you feeling energized throughout the day. Additionally, magnesium is crucial for muscle recovery and relaxation, reducing cramps and soreness and promoting restful sleep. As we age, the body's ability to absorb magnesium can decrease, making supplementation a good idea. The recommended daily intake of magnesium for men over 50 is around 400 to 420 milligrams. To meet this requirement, you can eat foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, avocado, and whole grains. These foods provide not only magnesium, but also essential nutrients for overall health. However, if you struggle to consume enough magnesium through diet alone, consider taking a supplement. Look for forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are highly absorbable. Taking a supplement can ensure that you get the magnesium your body needs to function optimally. But that's not all. Magnesium also plays a significant role in regulating blood pressure. Studies show that adequate magnesium levels can help relax blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. It's also involved in maintaining electrolyte balance, supporting proper nerve function, and protecting against age-related cognitive decline. By ensuring sufficient magnesium intake, you can support healthy blood pressure levels, nerve function, and brain health, reducing the risk of age-related conditions. Magnesium deficiency can manifest in various ways, such as muscle cramps, fatigue, insomnia, and even headaches. Signs that your magnesium levels may be low. Fortunately, it's relatively easy to boost your magnesium intake by eating foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. But if that's not enough, consider supplementing with magnesium glycinate or citrate. And there you have it, a powerful trio of vitamins that can work wonders for men over 50. When you incorporate vitamin D, B12, and magnesium into your daily routine, you'll experience a surge in energy levels, improved muscle strength, and enhanced overall well-being. These vitamins are essential for maintaining vitality and conquering the challenges of aging. By understanding their importance and taking the necessary steps to ensure adequate intake, you can prioritize your health and enjoy life to the fullest. But remember, knowledge is power. Share this video with your friends and loved ones so they, too, can benefit from these game-changing vitamins. Together, you can conquer the challenges of aging and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. So go ahead, drop a comment below, and let us know which vitamin you're excited to start with today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tips on how to stay strong and ageless. Stay strong and healthy.